In this video, I will show you how to delete forwarding webmails in Hostinger. Once we log into Hostinger hosting account, this is how the dashboard will look. Next, we need to click the Manage button under the Domains section in which the forwarder is set up. Next, on this page, we need to enter the Manage Your Email section by clicking this button. Here, we need to click the Forwarders tab, which will bring us to the Forwarders page. Here, you can see I have one mail forwarder set up. To delete and stop forwarding webmail, we need to click the three-dotted More option, and then select the Delete tab. Here, we need to select the Delete option to permanently delete the forwarding mails from this webmail account. And with this, we come to the end of this video. Like, share, and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel for updates.